Alright, so we're given three values, and then we're using that in the change of base formula, and we're going to expand it and break it apart and basically solve, or as they say, evaluate. Um, so log base 2 equals 700 equals what? So right off the bat, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to do our change of base formula, because as you can see, these two values are different, and we can't assume that 3 equals any part of 700 just because the bases are different, right? So what I would start out by doing is log 2 of 700 is equal to, it's going to be equal to log, sorry, I'm going to do like this, just like the parent equation first. So this would be log base b of x is equal to log a of x divided by log a of b. Alright, so now we just plug in our numbers, right? So a in this situation is going to be b. So log base b 700 over log base b of 2. And we have our value for 2, so that's good. And now I'm going to go ahead and split up 700, because you want to be able to use these numbers. That's kind of what they're wanting you to do. So I'm going to go ahead and do it kind of how I do factoring, just kind of splitting it up, right? So let's see, is there a 7? Yep, there is a 7. So I'm going to use that 7. We have one of the pieces now. And then 100 can be split into 15 and 2. We have now 2 pieces because we know what 2 is. And then 50 is 25 and 2. We have another 2, right? So we have 5 and 5. And I believe there's 5. Okay, perfect. So now we have our 5. We have basically every number. Now we're just expanding it. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright. Log base b of, let's see, we have a 7. 7 plus log base b of 2 plus log base b of 2 plus log base b of 5 delete it, okay. So log base b of 5 plus log base b of 5. And all of this is going to be over log base b of 2. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is, we know all the values for all these numbers because they're in our suppose. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug it in, right? So our 7 is a 6, so 6 plus 6 plus 3 plus 3. We have 2 5s, so plus 5 plus 5. It's going to be all over 3 equals, let's see, 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 11. Sorry, no it's not. 9 plus 3 is 12. 9 plus 3 is going to be 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 plus 5 is 22. So our answer here is going to be 22 over 3.